Hello, today is February 26th, 2023. Today is the first clear day we've had in a little bit. It's been raining pretty much nonstop for the last 3 days. I think we got about 5 inches of rain. And it's been pretty cold, but thankfully the temperatures haven't dropped below freezing at all. I did keep the cucumbers covered though, just because they're still so small. I wanted to protect them a little bit and try to keep them a little warmer. And they look like they're doing all right. I came out here just to check on things since it's finally cleared up. And everything's looking a little battered, but pretty much the same otherwise as what they looked like a few days ago. Actually, this one purple bean doesn't look like it's doing so great, but the other two are okay. Actually looks like one of the neighborhood cats was digging around in here. So dig that little sign back out. But the tomatoes look all right. Actually looks better than I was expecting considering the storm. I came over here just to get a closer look at the bean plants, and this one, look, I think you can actually see some of the hail damage on them, on the leaves. So hopefully it recovers from that. This one isn't looking very good at all, unfortunately. But thankfully I planted 3 of these purple beans, so if that one dies off, I've got these other 2 that look promising still. So we'll see how they do. We're supposed to get another 3 days of rain this week. So we'll see how everything looks after that. Here's the herb garden, which is actually looking pretty good. Not much damage here, which is great. Thing looks like it held up pretty well. Edible flowers look all right too. I was worried about them since I just planted them last week, but they seem okay so far. And garlic and shallots are doing fine. Strawberries definitely took a little bit of a beating. These flowers, oh, not looking so good. This one too, got a little beat up. But I think they'll be okay. Finally, I just wanted to check in on the indoor seedlings, which haven't been affected by the storm really at all. I haven't been out here to check on them in a few days, so I did give them a lot of water before the rain started, and I think I might have given them a little too much. Because weirdly, I've got something growing on these little bamboo signs. The plants look pretty okay. Might be some algae or something growing in the peppers. But these look fine. They definitely don't need any more water for a little bit, so I'm just gonna put them back under the grow light and see how they do. But they look like they're doing pretty well. They've definitely grown quite a bit since I repotted them. Anyway, that is it for today's check-in. Talk to you soon.